Welcome. Have you ever thought that without any expensive medicine, you can bring strength to your weak muscles with tiny seeds and fortify your bones? Yes, in today's video, we will tell you about 9 amazing seeds that elderly people should definitely include in their diet. Some of these seeds are incredibly cheap and easily accessible, and their benefits are scientifically proven. Watch the video till the end, as we will also tell you the correct way to use these seeds, the mistakes to avoid while consuming them, and the best combination to enhance their benefits. So let's get started. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. If you feel extremely tired, experience pain in your legs and muscles at night, or your joints feel stiff, it might be due to a deficiency of magnesium, zinc, and protein in your body. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of all these nutrients. For elderly people, these seeds can be a great tonic. They contain magnesium, which strengthens bone and relaxes muscle to alleviate weakness. Pumpkin seeds also contain the vital mineral zinc, which helps heal wounds, generate new skin, and support the immune system. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are rich in healthy fats that keep the joints healthy, reduce stiffness, and decrease inflammation. This can help reduce swelling often found in the back, knees, or hips. Using pumpkin seeds is easy. You can simply sprinkle 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds on your soup, add them to your salad, or mix them with yogurt. This amount is sufficient for all these benefits. However, remember not to cook them on high heat or add too much salt to preserve their nutrients. For more benefits, consume pumpkin seeds with collagen-rich foods like bone broth. Number 2. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are often eaten by people as a light snack, but in reality, these seeds act like a superfood for adults. They contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress in cells. Moreover, they also contain phosphorus and magnesium, which help in strengthening bones, reducing the risk of fractures. Furthermore, the selenium in these seeds aids in cell repair and reduces inflammation. Eating just 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds each day is enough. You can sprinkle them on any food easily, and the beauty is you don't have to work hard for it. However, remember that fried or overly salty sunflower seeds offer fewer benefits, and for maximum benefit, consume them with items rich in vitamin C like lemons and oranges. Number 3. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are immensely beneficial in collagen production, bone strengthening, and making joints more flexible, especially in old age. They may be small in size but have significant benefits. The use of sesame seeds for centuries has been for strengthening bones. They contain high calcium that is easily absorbed by the body. Additionally, they come with magnesium, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone and joints health, especially in old age. It contains lignin, antioxidants that naturally reduce inflammation and prevent joint destruction. To consume, easily toast them a little and then grind before eating, because whole seeds sometimes are not digested and passes through the body unprocessed. For maximum benefits, eat these seeds with vitamin D rich items like eggs or mushrooms, so the calcium reaches the bones more efficiently. This helps reduces knee pain and overall body weakness in old age. Number 4. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are now being used for repairing muscles and combating tendon fatigue. These seeds are special because they contain high quality protein with 9 essential amino acids that are not often found in plant based foods. As we age, the body's ability to repair muscles decreases and the risk of sarcopenia, where muscles gradually weaken, increases. Hemp seeds are a natural solution to this problem. They have an ideal balance of omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids that help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation in the body, and strengthen the joints. Additionally, hemp seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are essential for the formation of bones, nerves, and collagen. It is necessary to eat just 1 tablespoon of these seeds daily, which can be mixed into a drink, soup, or yogurt, and is best paired with lemon juice or anything rich in vitamin C. Do not worry about intoxication. Hemp seeds are safe, non intoxicating, and many elderly people use them for their health. Number 5. Flax seeds. Do you wake up in the morning with inflammation and pain in your joints and find yourself getting tired more quickly than before? Flax seeds can be a solution for this because they contain plant based omega 3 that help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles. They are rich in soluble fibers that cleanses the stomach, controls blood sugar, and aids better absorption of minerals. Moreover, strengthen bones because they contain lignin, a natural compound that provides mild estrogen-like effects. This is especially beneficial for women in the post-menopause stage where bone density decreases. To get the right benefit from flax seeds, they must always be crushed before consumption as they do not digest completely and the nutrients are wasted. Mix 1 tablespoon of flax seeds powder in water, drink, or soup daily. It can also be soaked a bit to make it softer. For added benefits, mix it with turmeric or ginger in any hot drink. Number 6. Chia seeds. Many people know chia seeds for weight loss, but in fact, these seeds are a superfood for muscles and bones, especially for the elderly. They contain high quality plant based protein, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium that help strengthen muscles and bones. What is the most impressive is the amount of omega 3 fatty acids, more than in some nuts and fish. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the joints, improve blood flow, and repair tiny muscle injuries commonly experienced by the elderly. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, which helps control sugar and sends nutrients to the muscles for faster recovery. However, remember eating chia seeds soaked in water is important. When you soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in water for 20 minutes, they form a gel that cleanses the stomach and allows the mineral to be absorbed by the body. Mix into a smoothie, soup, or yogurt, but avoid mixing with sweet or sugary juices as they trap sugar and cause fermentation in the stomach, leading to diarrhea or gas. Chia seeds not only provide energy, they aid digestion, weight loss, and improve heart health. Number 7. Fenugreek seeds. Not everyone knows about fenugreek seeds, but it has been used for centuries for pain, swelling, and fatigue. Fenugreek seeds contain natural elements that strengthen muscles, reduce joint swelling, and fortify bones. If you feel your muscles are weakening, find it difficult to walk, or experience bone pain, fenugreek seeds could be a natural remedy for you. These seeds contain plant-based proteins, saponin, iron, and phosphorus, which are beneficial for repairing muscles and bones, particularly in elderly individuals. Additionally, fenugreek seeds contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that alleviate joint pain and facilitate movement. Some people may not know that fenugreek seeds also help regulate blood sugar levels, benefiting those with diabetes or insulin resistance, as their bodies struggle to absorb nutrients effectively. An easy way to consume fenugreek seeds is to boil a spoonful in water and drink it once a day like tea. Alternatively, soak these seeds overnight and add them to salads or soups in the morning. Though the taste may be slightly bitter, the benefits are ample. Pairing fenugreek seeds with plain yogurt enhances the benefits of protein and improves muscle repair. Number 8. Poppy seeds. Poppy seeds, often sprinkled on bakery items or buns, are a treasure trove of strength for bones and muscles, especially for the elderly. Poppy seeds contain calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, which strengthen bones and prevent them from weakening with age. Its almost notable component is linoleic acid, a healthy fat. It reduces joint inflammation, provides lubrication, keeping joints soft and flexible, and prevents cartilage erosion. Poppy seeds contain high-quality plant-based protein that aids in muscle repair, particularly for those who consume less meat or whose muscles are gradually weakening. You can consume a spoonful of poppy seeds by sprinkling them on oats, fruits, or bread in the morning, or mix them with raw honey to create a natural tonic. Ensure to use the edible kind of poppy seeds. Consuming these with vitamin K rich foods like spinach or kale enhances calcium absorption in the bones. Those small poppy seeds can keep your body strong for a long time. Number 9. Carom seeds. Carom seeds are not only beneficial for digestion but also for enhancing muscle strength and bone fortification. They contain anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce muscle swelling and provide relief from chronic fatigue or pain. Carom seeds or ajwain is a good source of calcium and iron, contributing to bone strength. If someone feels back pain, knee pain, or muscle weakness, consuming carom seeds daily provide internal strength. Additionally, these seeds boost metabolism, improving natural body healing. They can be consumed by boiling in water or in powdered form. How to use correctly? The main question is how to get maximum benefits from these seeds. First, avoid mixing the seeds into blended or bottled fruit juice. Eat the whole fruit, chew it well, and pair it with seeds in water, unsweetened tea, plain yogurt, broth, or vegetable dishes. Do not mix more than two types of seeds at one time, as this might be heavy for the digestive system. Third, maintain daily consistency. Just 1 tablespoon of seeds is sufficient to gain benefits. Furthermore, it is understood that these seeds are not magic, but if used correctly, they can restore the body's strength, balance, and energy. So let us know in the comments which seeds are you already using and which ones would you like to try. Thank you for visiting the channel. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.